A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of all latest news. Now reality news we dey drop for this corner, and we dey talk am as e be. If na your first time here, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support. My correct reality viewers, I dey vex. Those people wey dey rejoice over Nnamdi Kanu arrest, no worry, they don elect Boko Haram don elect new governor for Borno State, and these people go visit you very soon. And Nnamdi Kanu will be free because it's getting too much. So if they feel allow Boko Haram do meeting, elect new governor to take destroy people, now them put money for Nnamdi Kanu head, arrest him, detain him. God, they watch all of una. Make we watch this video to the end because now 2-in-1 video. Like our videos and also share our videos. Drop your opinion for the comment section. Bye for now.
On Tuesday, July 6, 2021, there were reports of Boko Haram and Islamic State of West African Province allegedly appointing a governor for parts of Borno State. The governor appointed, identified as Bøkø, will be the governor of Tumbuma with jurisdiction over Mate, Abadam, Kukawa, Magumeri and other areas of the Lake Chad region. This development is coming despite repeated assurances from the government of the decimation of the terrorist sect. Bøkø's government has the structure of a normal government, as it will impose taxes on fishing activities, farming within each jurisdiction. Members of the sect are said to be collecting 5,000 naira monthly from traders and farmers, while fishermen will pay 2,000 naira per bag of fish, among other levies. Other members appointed by the sect include Abubakar Dan Bunduma as operations commander in Bøkø Triangle, while Baba Issa was appointed to oversee taxation and revenue of fishing activities and was posted to Kaga in Abadam to relieve Abu Abdallah. Ibn Umar is now chief prosecutor. Abu Umama becomes Amir of Tundu Wogo, while Mohammed Maina is the commander of Sabon Tumbu, among others. It was gathered that the interim council introduced mobile courts and some policies to harmonize all insurgent activities and groups under the leadership of ISIS. The administration has also established 2 caliphates at Lake Chad and Sambisa Forest to sustain its war against countries in sub-Saharan Africa. Barrister Mike Ejiofor is a security expert and former director with the Department of State Services. Speaking with him to ascertain the security implications of this horrifying development, he said,
"Well, I don't think that story has been verified. That they have I don't know the source of information. It didn't come from government. If it's coming from Boko Haram or ISWAP, then that's propaganda, as far as I'm concerned. So we never can tell until these stories are verified. You know that terrorists, they thrive on propaganda, and that's the oxygen in which they pursue their work to ensure that necessary equipment are available. So with time, and these are items that are not off the shelf. It takes time to order, like the Tucano aircrafts that were ordered. It takes about 3 to 4 years for them to come in. If it's something that you go off the shelf and buy, yes, but you have to place order for all these ones. Okay. Well, I don't discuss what I don't know, what I'm not sure of. I don't discuss it.
If they did something like that, what do you think is the security implication for that state?
It's part of the security challenges, and it has to be. Don't forget that Shekau has been killed several times until recently. That it's confirmed that he's dead now. So they want to prove that that his death alone cannot stop the activities of Boko Haram and Islam. So there could be factional people trying superiority. Propaganda, like I said, is the oxygen of the terrorists.
It was also learned that the interim council has lifted the ban imposed on fishing and farming activities in the Lake Chad area 3 years after chasing people out of Mate, Abadam, Kukawa, Guzamala over allegations of spying for Nigerian troops. Meanwhile, several fishermen, farmers and merchants have returned to Lake Chad area to engage in socio-economic activities under the arrangement of the new ISWAP Boko Haram leadership, PR Nigeria reported.
Rearrest of IPOP leader Nnamdi Kanu and hunt for Sunday Igboho, self-professed Yoruba freedom fighter, have continued to generate more conversations. What are Nigerians saying? People's Nigerians on the streets to get some reactions. Enjoy. What do you make of Nnamdi Kanu's rearrest and hunt for Sunday Igboho?
The real people who are troubling this nation, the Boko Haram people, Fulani headsmen who are kidnapping, killing the bandits, people know where they are. Why are they not going for them? Why are they also not tagging them as troublers of our nation? Why are they going after Nnamdi Kanu and Igboho only without using the same ferocity, using the same political will, using the same machinery of state to hunt down these people?
I see all this as a diversion to what is happening in Nigeria. So the government should focus on the bandits, the terrorists, the Boko Haram, the ISWAP that are ravaging the north, killing people, massacring people every blessed day. So I think that's where they should focus their attention and leave these people alone. They have done nothing wrong. They are exercising their constitutional rights.
Democracy is dialogue, and I think that's the way forward. I see the move as anti-democracy.
If not insecurity, the government have no right to give people power to go into securing themselves. They are covering up their tracks, and very soon this country is going to burst.
I think that the good thing that the federal government is supposed to do is to dialogue with Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu. Because all these people, they have so many followers.
We know the people that has given this country a nightmare. It is not Nnamdi Kanu. We know that all these men, Sunday Igboho as a Yoruba man, is seeking for freedom for Yoruba people. If Nigerian government want Nigeria to be at peace, they know what to do. Give everybody equal rights.
Why Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu are doing what they are doing is actually the perceived marginalization for the Southeasterners if the issues that they are fighting for are not being addressed. So whether we like it or not, taking Nnamdi Kanu out of the picture, take Sunday Igboho out of the picture, we still have 10,000 that will still rise up.
Nnamdi Kanu was talking on the behalf of his people. His people is being marginalized in the country called Nigeria, the entity called Nigeria. You can't beat a child and ask the child not to cry. Solve the hunger strike that is eating up the people. Solve the economic hardship that is eating up the people. Inflation has gone into even 90% of the country. As the government solve the case, is Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho, is it the problem of Nigeria? There is a law of nature that says in every action there is an opposite and equal reaction. A time will come in this country that thousands of Sunday Igboho will come out and thousands of Nnamdi Kanu will come out. The government should know what they are doing.